First coat of primer. Nah, I'm tripping, y'all, man. I'm tired of here, man. First coat. I did blue paint. That's it. Shit you get at your club, man. And, you know, name brand nine, spray can. This is what I'm using. Matte black, matte blue.
Shit.
Finished product.
I need to log in.
2 coats. Can't sell them. To the store.
Yeah.
Son didn't he?
Dada, you call me. You call me.
Flow pan put in.
Nah, he got it. Trying to chase me.
He gon' taste me. The dog gon' get out. The dog gon' get you. He gon' get
On to the next day. Finish putting this sign down there. Cut you back on. Check me out. Got dark on me, but.
She's